Police Team 3 and 4 will study the area near Sushant's house and scout various places related to the probe. Finally, Team 5 is going to be recording the statement of all of those involved. CBI is going to be probing the role of self-proclaimed friend of Sushant Singh Rajput, Sandeep Singh. It's believed that Singh lied to the press and misdirected the probe. He was the point person for Mumbai cops when the initial formalities like the postmortem was carried out. The Mumbai police has handed over the late actor's mobile phone, laptop and diaries to the probe agency. The former investigating officer, Bhushan Belnekar, is going to be recording a statement also before the probe agency. Mihir is getting us more details on that story. Mihir, take us through what is expected in terms of the CBI questioning many people in connection with the death of Sushant Singh Rajput is concerned. Who are they expected to question in days to come since they've just taken over the probe?
Absolutely. From what we know at this point is that Samuel Miranda is already being questioned, and also Neeraj, one of Sushant Singh's close aides, who was the cook present at the moment, at the point when this incident took place. And of course, there are other aides to whom there will be some sort of questioning. Remember, there have been former cooks, former bodyguards, people who really, in fact, friends of Sushant Singh Rajput, who constantly believed in the fact that it is very unbelievable for them to really ascertain that Sushant Singh Rajput could do something like this. In fact, we have Mahesh Shetty, who was a close friend and also at one point was going to be the prime witness in the Bihar police investigation when Bihar police was in Mumbai and investigating the case, and the CBI will also question him, is what we gather at this point. And apart from that, other aides of Sushant Singh Rajput, like his former cook Ashok, who has pointed out that the staff was systematically replaced, and in fact the access to the actor was very difficult when Riya came into the picture. Remember, these are the angles, and this will be the line of investigation as far as what we understand at this point from whatever sources are telling us. And of course, there has been some video WhatsApp chats of Mahesh Bhatt and Riya Chakravarti that are doing the rounds, and questions are being raised, but we really don't know at this point whether Mahesh Bhatt will be called for another round of questioning. Remember, the Mumbai police did call him for questioning and took his statement regarding the film project that they were supposed to do together and how far it went. Also, as far as the investigation is concerned, there are now two central agencies that are doing the investigation. It is the CBI on one hand, and another, the ED probe is also going on. In fact, the ED has been digging deep into this matter and trying to find some evidence which could establish that money was used by Riya Chakravarti. As far as the allegation of 15 crores by the family goes, till this point there has been no electronic transfer that could ascertain that money has been moved from Sushant's account to other accounts. But remember, the ED has called in Sushant's celebrity manager Jayanti Shah in the past to understand whether there were some film deals in which the money was handled, whether by Sushant, Riya, whether that could lead to some evidence. And we know for a fact that Dipesh, who was a close aide of Sushant Singh, has been also called in for investigation, and so has Siddharth Pithani, who is another friend who was present at the point when this incident took place, and he was also called to understand whether there is some sort of financial dealing between Riya Chakravarti and whether she was in control of the finances. There are some serious allegations level, but of course, as far as the CBI is concerned, they have a free hand to explore several angles in this investigation. Remember, there are several lapses by the Mumbai police that are alleged by several fans and family, and the CBI will be closely looking at it. At this point, the CBI is really taking a brief of the case and
Right, Mihir, be with us. In fact, I'm going to go across to Radhika as well, who's got more details on that story. The ED has been looking into the financial angle. The statement of Sushant Singh's sister is also being recorded in Delhi, Radhika. But in Mumbai, in the past, the ED has questioned Riya Chakravarti, her brother, her father. Just tell us what the line of questioning has been and what has the ED found as far as financial transactions are concerned.
You know, the Enforcement Directorate, of course, has been looking at the financial transactions, which is why so many people are being questioned, because the main allegation as far as this case is concerned, is of cheating, is of the, allegation that 15 crore rupees has gone missing from Sushant's account, and that is something being siphoned off from Sushant Singh account by Riya Chakravarti and her family is the biggest allegation that's been made by Sushant's family, which is why the Enforcement Directorate is looking at just the financial aspect of things, while CBI is looking at the criminal aspect of things, which includes abetment, conspiracy and certain other sections. So therefore, as far as financial aspect of things is concerned, well, a huge amount of transfers have still not been ascertained, but we are looking at 1 crore transfer. That is something that the Enforcement Directorate has spoken about, that there has been, some amount of transaction that is visible now, but to the tune of 15 crore, not yet. All the properties and property documents are being assessed to find out if that money that they're talking about, the 15 crore, has been utilized for buying any of these properties. But as of now, huge transaction from Sushant Singh's account to Riya's account or to Shauvik's account to the tune of 15 crore is something that has still not been established, which is why many people being questioned, be it Riya, Shauvik, Riya's entire family, Riya's chartered accountant, Sushant's chartered accountant, managers, and of course Rumi Jaffrey himself being questioned yesterday, was a close friend and somebody who was supposed to work with Sushant in his next film as well. He was also questioned. So yes, several rounds of questioning by the Enforcement Directorate to understand that financial trail, to understand if at all money amounting to that much was transferred, and if at all there had been any sort of defrauding or cheating as is being alleged by family members, and even if there was money found to be transferred, was it was it criminal, was it done without the willingness of Sushant Singh Rajput, is something that ED has to establish, because we know for a fact that they were in a relationship, so there could have been transactions, but was it defrauding or a theft or stealing of money as being alleged? Not entirely certain how that is going to be established through these ED investigation. But at the same time, even as financial trail is being analyzed, CBI conducting, has set the ball rolling in the city of Mumbai, with many people being questioned, including his cook at the moment, and also his friend, and also people within the Mumbai police are currently cooperating with the probe, and all the evidence have been given to the CBI as well.
That's right. Be with us. Herman is also getting us more on that story. Herman, the Supreme Court did say, while handing over the case to the CBI, that if there was any case that the CBI would want to look into in terms of its association with the Sushant Singh case, then the agency can do that. In that case, is the CBI also looking at the Disha Salian angle and the relationship with the connection, really, rather, with the Sushant Singh case, as has been spoken about also? Is that an angle that the CBI is exploring?
Well, the CBI clearly, in the way it has been working out in Mumbai, and it's expected in the next 10 days, in these mini teams that have been, every single person who has been associated, whether they have been named in the FIR that was filed in Bihar or otherwise, they will all be called for questioning. Therefore, the angle of Disha Salian's, close ones also being called in by the CBI, or their statement being recorded, it cannot be ruled out at this point in time. Every single person we've been seeing today, right from the staff, from one of the staff that has been, who has been called in for questioning, to also Samuel Miranda, another close aide of Riya Chakravarti, who's the allegation against him being is that he somehow had managed to replace the previous staff of Sushant Singh Rajput with people who were in cahoots with him as well as Riya. So that is, he too is being today in a way being questioned by the CBI. So therefore the angle of Disha Salian close ones also cannot, because there is in a way the interlinking between the both of the cases. So yes, the CBI also on its part is also reaching out to the Mumbai police. They have already been in touch with two of the DCPs, including the previous DCP of Zone 9, Mr. Paranjit Singh Dhaiya. So yes, they have already managed to get their hands on all of the documents as well as other the case diary, the diaries, for example, belonging to the late actor are also right now in their possession. They would be going different teams. Another team that has already got in touch with the Enforcement Directorate yesterday to look into the financial angle. So therefore, the CBI in the way it has been working is 5 teams that have been divided, each tasked with a single responsibility. And in the next 10 days, one can be looking out that even Disha Salyan's close one, their statement too being recorded by the CBI.
All right. Thank you so much for getting us all of those details, Herman Mihir as well as Ratika, with your inputs on that.